Hey everyone, I'm back and it's Jerry, and I just returned from Giulio Celandroni Orchidea out in San Giulio Terme, which is close to Lucca here in Italy, just a little north of Pisa, if you know geography here in Tuscany. Anyway, make sure you check out that live video. I'm still here in Florence, just got back, as I said, to my apartment, and I'm going to show you what I got before I pack them up, pot the ones that are potted, and wrap those in newspaper and put them in my luggage. And I'll show you again what they look like when I get home on Sunday. Today is Thursday, so check that out, please. Anyway, stay tuned for the unboxing. And I'm back, and these are the boxes. And I'm just gonna start over here. It's been quite a day. Very much started to rain as soon as I got in the car at the airport, which I rented, and started driving out to the nursery. So, and it is continuing to rain, so I'm a little bit parched and worn out, and I'm ready to eat some dinner. So I'm just gonna do this. So, if you don't know, I went there specifically to get angricoids, also some gigantea, Phalaenopsis gigantea hybrids, and some dendrobiums. And let's see what I got. I was very impressed, I should say. The plants that they have there that were on offer were humongous. Humongadunga, I think I used that word. So this first beauty, which I just noticed it has a flower spike and numerous fans. This is Eringus solamensis. Very, very nice. And I think I'll set them over here as I take them out. And if you hear me grimacing, it's my hip. Okay, so this one next to it is another Eringus, and this is Eringus kochkiana. Again, very nice plant. Nice roots, and it is mounted. I do have one of these, but oh well, now I have two. They did have this one in bloom, but it wasn't for sale. I wouldn't have bought it anyway, but you can look at it, and it's on the video, I'm sure. Kochkiana. Then, at the very last minute, and they gave me a super deal on this. This is Phalaenopsis hieroglyphica, and they said that it was a 4N, which accounts for the size and the size of the flower, also the number of inflorescence that are coming around on that plant. Many. This plant cost me $35. Next is this Phalaenopsis almanus. It's a Manii cross and perhaps corner cervi. I'm not sure. I'll be honest, you can look it up, but there's the tag and there's another spike. Give you a better look at the blooms. Okay. Then I got that you saw in the video. This is another species, Phalaenopsis pulchra. And like pulchras do, it has numerous little kikis that will bloom. I'll flip this one here. Nice, nice, nice thing. I think these were 20. Okay, and then I got this, which is Phalaenopsis gigantea, and it's crossed with Phalaenopsis equestris. And you can see there's a spike here, and since it's gigantea, the spike will continue to produce flowers as long as it's green. Nice size, big, big plant. Then I got another, which is Phalaenopsis gigantea times Tetraspis. Oh, that is equestris. This is Tetraspis. Again, big plant, nice leaves, and then peeking out, there's a one spike, and then here's another inflorescence. This is one that I went looking for, Dendrobium munificum. Nice, nice, nice plant. It's maturing this latest growth. Can't wait to get that in a bigger basket. Okay. Then, another plant that I went there looking for is Angraecum longuscat, which is Longa calcar crossed with Angraecum scatenum. And I do have one of these, but they are very hard to get. So I got another. And this is Angraecum compactum species. Blooms small, is miniature. Okay, and that's that box. All right, this box, pull this out. This is Angraecum crestwood. This is one that I'll pull out of the pot, take all the media out, and just wrap it up in paper. As you know, the leaves are very flexible. It'll become tight and easy to pack. That's a crestwood. And right beside it is the Veichi that I got. And Veichi is a cross between Cespis guadale and Eburnum. They had lots of these, and they were big, and they had one there that had 2 spikes coming out of it. That was about that size. Okay. Then this one I'm so happy to get, and I saw it as I was leaving. This is Epicatleya Renee Marquez that's crossed with Schilleriana, and it is in a short spike, previously bloomed. Again, this one they had a few of them that were in bloom, and if you look at the live video, the thumbnail is actually the flower of this plant. Beautiful lip, that Schilleriana lip, and it's a nice big plant. Okie doke. Next is this that you can also see on the video that was in bloom. And this is gonna obviously come out of the pot too, I think, maybe. And this is Oncidium. Well, this says Lancianum, but I think it's kumquat. But I guess we'll see. I bought it as kumquat or cuquat, but this says it's Lancianum. I don't think so. Lancianum has more spotted leaves. So let's call that cuquat. Then I got this, Arangus articulata. Big, big plant. Got 2 nubbins coming out on it. Then I got this, which is Arangus modesta. And I just lost my modesta, and now I have a nice one, a bigger one. And this is perfectly potted up because I can unpot it, because these like to be mounted and they like to be pendant. So this, the way that I'm holding it is actually the way that it likes to grow, so that the water comes from the base to the front and cascades off without getting caught in the crown. And that's Arangus modesta. Big, big plants. And again, these were 35. Okay. And then I got 2, since they're so hard to find. I got 2 of these. And this is Angraecum. Lady Lisa Rosemary, which is Angraecum scatinum crossed with Magdaleni. And I got 2 of those. I did have one a long time ago that I brought back from Italy. And I don't know what happened to it. I think somebody stole it. But anyway, that's 2 more Angraecums. And then I got another Angraecum, which is Cespisquidale, and this is the Balsari variety, I'm sure, which is a smaller version of Cespisquidale. Balsari. Nice plant. A species. Then last but not least, I got this Catleanthe Sakura. Candy. The which is Cattleya Starry Sky times Cattleya Candy Tuft. And I guess he said these were pink, little pink clusters of flowers. I just liked the growth. Very grows upright, and it seems to be compact. Not a huge Cattleya, and there's a nice spike with cluster flowers there. Another growth that has a sheath coming out. And then there's another growth right here to the front of the plant. So very nice. And if I haven't said, this is where I was at, Guilio Celandroni Orchidea. It's in Giuliano Terme, Pisa region. And folks, that is my haul. And that's all I'm going to talk about it. So the next time you will see these plants, they will be in my house. Hopefully I will be unboxing them all. There were 19 in total, and I think I did pretty darn good. So thanks for watching. And as always, enjoy your orchids. And hope you enjoyed this. Please press the like button and hit that subscribe button. And if you want a notification, if you want to be first in line to watch these videos. Anyhow, thanks for your time.